Hello everyone, it's Bishoy here from BishoyMix. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the brand new USB-C AirPods Pro 2. The AirPods Pro 2 got a little update compared to last year's model, and the biggest change this year is supposed to be the USB-C charging port. Now let's begin. Once you open up the box, you are greeted with instructions and paperwork. And here it is, the brand new Apple USB-C AirPods Pro 2. It looks amazing as usual. Let's keep it aside for now and let's check what's left inside the box. Here we have this pull tab thing. Let's pull it. And here we got 3 different sized earbuds, aside from the ones that already came installed on the AirPods. And last but not least, we have this brand new braided USB-C to USB-C cable. Now let's get back to this beast. And here it is. It looks beautiful, honestly. From the outside, the case looks identical to last year's model. On the side here, of course, we have the lanyard strap, and everything looks basically the same until you look at the bottom. Now we have USB Type-C port, unlike last year's model which had Lightning port. And USB-C, of course, comes with many advantages. Like now, you can charge your AirPods directly from your iPhone 15. And this comes really in handy, especially if you're on the go. Now let's pair these bad boys. To pair your AirPods to your device, all you have to do is open up the case and press and hold on the back button. Give it a second. And here it is, as you can see. Tap on connect. And here you can use announce calls and notifications, and you can even customize it. I will set it up later in settings. And here it is. We also have some new feature with iOS 17, adaptive mode, personalized volume, and conversation awareness. I will go over these in a second. Continue. Here we have adaptive mode, a new listening mode that dynamically responds to your environment and cancels or allows external noise. And what's new is that now you can switch between adaptive mode and noise cancellation mode, which is a great feature in my opinion. So I will of course turn it on. Next we have personalized volume. It basically automatically adjusts the volume of media in response to your environment. Another great feature. I will turn it on. And last but not least, we have one of the most useful features, conversation awareness. Basically, when you start speaking, AirPods Pro will lower media volume, reduce background noise, and even enhance the voices in front of you. What an amazing feature. Lower media volume when I start speaking. And you're good to go. Press on done. And your AirPods are paired with your iPhone device. Unfortunately, this brings us to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Also, make sure to let me know your favorite thing about this video in the comments down below, and see you in the next one. BishoyMix.